Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to increase your font size in Notepad++. So after you open in the Notepad++, what you have to do is go to Settings tab and click in Style Configurator. So in here, click on this Global Styles and click on Default Style in these menus, and in here click on this arrow icon and select the font size you want. So if I select it to 18, you can see the font size is changed to 18. So after changing your settings, click Save and Close. So now you can see the font size is increased in my note window. Also there is a second method. So the second method is go to this menu icons and click on this zoom in plus icon. So using that also you can increase the font size. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. And if you find this video is helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.